First thing, we open our Canva, then we bring in our image. Let's zoom this in. Okay, then next thing, we duplicate, Ctrl J to duplicate, and we invert, Ctrl I to invert. Now we go to the mode and change it to color dodge. So we go to level hue saturation, then we'll just reduce the saturation to -100. To be on our layer, go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and just reduce this. Maybe let's try 4.3 or so. Try reduce it the way you want. Then it's okay. 4.3 is cool. Then next thing, we go to our levels and just reduce the darker part. Just make it the line darker. Don't worry, we'll change that later. And we'll go back to our layers. Then these are layers. Be on our duplicated image. Then okay, be on our duplicated image. Go to brightness and contrast, and just first of all, I'll reduce the brightness a bit so I can adjust my contrast and see the lines very well. Okay, minus 41, 42 is okay. Now we can reduce our brightness to maybe 7 or 10. I think 7 will do. And here we have our art image. We just export, and that is